Peaches, it's real good to see you though, man. It's been a while, innit?
Yeah, man.
Why me have to come around this part for your little community, you know what I mean?
You know what I want to see you?
Oh, for real?
Yes.
What's going on?
You know, easy, you know, man. You hear about you in the streets, you know?
What?
Yeah.
Where are you? Good things, I hope?
Bad things, man.
How's that?
Me say I try mash up a look Juvie relationship.
What? Okay.
And you misbreed the girl because that they pick them up for you.
Oh, that's it. Why? That is a hard one. So it went, huh? That one that was like a miss, eh?
You have to just let go and fight and just say they put in the work and then happen. That the youth don't miss it, I feel good picking. You feel don't have your garage there.
Oh, you see the baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, because me hear she have baby, innit?
Yeah.
But I still haven't seen the baby, you know what I mean? But me hear, so...
Just have to just give it, let it go.
Oh, for real?
And give another shot. Because remember saying I said Jennifer work out with you around, so.
Yeah.
That's how it going now.
For real, babes. Give thanks still. God is good, I'm still here, you know what I mean?
I'm not lying. I'm not lying, man.
For real, man.
Bumps. Bumps.
Damn.
Hey. Whoa. What a bombshell.
What's up?
Babe, I can't wait.
True. I can't wait myself, babe.
True, man.
Come feel, baby.
Nice. Hey. A boy? A boy?
Tomorrow we find out.
A boy? Yeah.
Boomshell.
Yeah, man, I name him Boomshell. Fireplace, nice.
But babe, when are gonna change up the place?
No, man, me no want to change up it. Because every time I come in here, I look, remember Michael. Yeah.
Boy, babe, you look like a really rich Michael.
Yeah, I'm a virgin, I'm my best friend, you know? Yeah, I'm my best friend. So I can't wait till him come back to a long time and I tell you for him. Yeah.
But more than want your foot up is still change up, make him comfy so yeah, treat the place good and something.
You know, I don't know, me will think about it. I will think about it.
I want the baby when the baby born. I want it to change up. You know, when the young baby now, so you have to change up.
Yeah.
But wait, so I know you say a breeder, your skinny girlfriend. You then I street to look not hide.
Bloody hell. News travel fast, man. Oh, shit. Boy. Is that what you're hearing for real?
Yeah. The bumpy girl name. I not tell no like girl look good.
Boy, she nice for real.
Yeah. But only if I fear pick me like when you take the one downstairs. Yeah.
Peaches. You's a girl when me rate still, you know.
I know that.
Me like her a lot, you know. Because really and truly, you know, Peaches. Me and my wife married for coming up 30 years now, you know. And me coming up to pension age now, you know, Peaches. And me do a lot of years in England, you know.
I know like.
Right now, me never get no children, you know what I mean? So, it would have been nice for me to have a little one running around in the yard with me. And all of my business and my place and, you know what I mean?
So when you feel your wife up say with me breed after people in the man. And women them because you're not gonna work a little in your shop.
Beaches, when that bridge come, I will cross it, baby. What I'm saying now, though, is right. That baby there on the way, you know, is a strong possibility. It really is mine, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna make sure that this one really come forward in my yard.
Yeah, yeah.
So whatever it takes, it's gonna happen. You know what I mean? Yes. So that's basically what it is right now, Peaches. Yes, no Peaches, man.
I know you mind picking them in about. I just that today nice street, so I don't want to reach a wife ears and you know hear about it. That's the me I tell you.
No man, as long as me have children, they'll be alright. So that won't be a problem. It's just a matter that when I go to pick them up at school, they're gonna be like, you know, your grandfather outside to pick you up.
Yeah, that's true.
You see what I mean? Yes, but that's what it is. Anyway, I'll be seeing you now, Peaches.
Yeah,
Take
man.
care of yourself, okay, baby?
Yeah, man.
I like coming to see you because you tell me what's going on the street.
I'm not hiding.
Oh,
I'm not
bloody
hiding.
hell. See you later.
Yeah.
May I stay by my mom after this weekend?
Oh, yeah, stay with him. Yeah, you can stay with them. You can stay with them if you want.
That's what I'm over saying.
Yeah, I love it too.
I'm happy for the care baby.
I'm happy to say, yeah, carry me baby too.
Love you for too.
I love it too. Yeah, best one I real.
So you say until you know.
Yeah, me take care of you, baby. Baby, you know, Michael and Marty then should be together, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because Michael a good youth, you know. But Marty couldn't hold him, man. You know why she do that? You know why she do that?
But she just get caught up in her moment. Isn't it? She has to help out the situation. So.
No. She not fit cheat. She not fit cheat. She not fit do them something there.
But babe, I not do that going on.
You sure you're not going to do me that, babe?
I would never do that, babe.
You sure?
Never.
Babe, your neighbor baby a ball. I saw it. Full baby a ball, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, and the neighbor got ear.
Go see her whole shasha
Junior
night time.
skinny. Yeah. And put him to sleep.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, what a bombshell.
You know, easy, babe.
Looking at man,
Smoking weed as usual.
you know, say I'm on meditation this side. You don't know.
Yeah, I know.
So when you would have looking nice.
Looking at you, the better one.
So you know better one.
No, sir.
You gonna be my wife.
You're gonna be my husband.
So now that for going.
Yeah.
You say you brown and pretty and nice.
Yeah.
It's something on the belly to feel here.
Anything you say.
You know, say, my friend, Skinny, remember Skinny me I tell you about?
Yeah.
I'm virgin from Jamaica, from Dunga man. I come link with the man, so you know, so come on to the guy, come meet us up with you. I'm a virgin man, so the dog are calling me an idea, so you say, alright, they're good and everything.
Yeah, what time is coming?
I have an idea, man, can you tell me say I come link, so I know say I just.
Alright, that's okay.
Just my plate and spoon.
Okay.
Only just my plate and spoon. Nah, let them put nothing else in my bowl. Or it won't add up. Only just my plate and spoon, my bro.
Not in this.
You know, what a bombshell.
Skinny,
That's so with you, man.
Skinny,
Hello.
me general, Skinny, me general. You know
It's
who that,
come like in
you know who that look like?
You get
Yeah.
nice.
You know who that look
I'm
like?
not the gate lady.
Oh, you're not get
No.
No, bro.
I'm
Only
soon
just
to
a
be
plate
wife.
Bro, that's my empress right there. That's my fiance right there. You gotta watch how you look at her. Man.
Fiance.
Yeah, man.
Your fiance.
You know, say new style, man.
Only just my plate and spoon.
See how
Oh,
you
go on,
as
what a
usual.
bombshell.
What a bombshell.
What
man.
a bombshell.
What a bombshell. You didn't tell him.
Yeah. You're back in our place, man.
This is my bro right here.
I can see.
Hello.
Right here.
Aye.
Shake his hand, shake his hand. This is Melissa Skin.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't stop shaking my hand
So
now.
with you.
Yeah.
So with
Skinny,
you.
I'll suffer you, man. I'll suffer you.
So with you. Only just a plate and spoon.
I have a plate and a spoon.
I'm ever hungry. Big
Oh
man,
my
I'm loving
God.
food.
Oh, you mean? Never left me plate and spoon.
Never left me plate and spoon. Yo.
What a bombshell.
Watch out.
Yeah.
Wow. Yo, you know, somebody back in that place, you know, but you know,
Yeah,
say,
man.
the tree won't go too tough, you know, cause true,
My
just
bro, man, that's so for you, man.
you know, so I go on for the acre runs.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me have one girl. She nice.
What a bombshell.
What a bombshell.
What a bombshell.
What a bombshell. She nice.
Where say? She nice.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, man, she nice, man.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Good, man. That's how you stay.
Oh,
Skinny. That's how you
Hey.
stay, man.
Like a whole heap of business down here, man.
Yo, Rona. Shh.
Yeah.
Take time and talk. People, them.
Yeah.
Them kind of peep to them when that's so.
Love people.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you have to watch. You have to take time. You have to watch.
Yeah.
Take time.
The truth.
So you say you have a girl.
Yeah.
What she mean?
Nice. Me never back.
Bad man, you can
Oh, I
Just
remember.
oh. So yeah, go out there, care about nothing for me.
I mean, man, you have 2 shirts here, man, and thing, man. You know, say,
man.
I bro got style, man.
Nice shirt.
And Irish Spring,
So
you know,
for sure.
Irish Spring is the best. No joke. Skinny, my
I
bro.
don't like how you look for me.
No man, no pay me no mind, that's a mistake.
I sent man, and in the band,
What a
and in
bombshell.
the band, the mother. You see like how you see him love chat about what a bombshell. I some something going on, you know. And bang up and shell up and sitting, you know. Yeah man, I some like that man, but I never really understand still. But I what a bombshell still, I'm skinny that.
Wow.
I'm just a plate and spoons.
Yeah, you know, we the body no broken.
Yeah,
Yeah, so where they can do dog? Right now, my first, you know.
first.
There's your name, tell him. Yeah, sit down. You just so skinny. I'm married, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm married, man.
Me
Look
too.
on her.
Me too. Yeah, me come my wedding.
Hey, somebody, bad man.
Come
you
on,
know- Oh, yeah. Yeah, come here.
I come my wedding.
Oh,
I come my
yeah,
wedding.
man.
Alright.
Yo, you hungry, dog?
Yeah. No food in there. Only just a plate and spoon.
Can I
trust
share
you have food.
some for you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do that.
Give me a spoon.
Any curry goat.
So you go.
Oh
It's a
God.
curry goat.
Yes, curry goat.
I just about plate and spoon. Oh God. There man.
No joke. So, what go on, so like.
Yeah.
Don't so. Don't have my part, man.
Yeah. Down there nice man. Yeah.
No, man, it's murky.
Yeah, Murty nice. Hey, Murty, the baby, no favor he cool man they say. I don't see them all now, but why? I have to go see it and come here words in the street. Everybody has say, hey, pick me on a bossy one. They say you don't look like bossy. So
Better go on.
yeah. So for true. But I get some more information and can tell you.
Yeah, man.
I know say I'm an information god.
I know
That's
what's
so
in the
true.
skin. I know what's
What a bombshell.
Yeah, man, that's so true.
What a bombshell.
What about Michelle, brother? Yeah, you know, I'm just tired, brother, you know. Be yo,
Yeah.
thing shut off, you know
Oh,
that?
Oh, it's
Shut
nice.
off, you know see that?
Yeah.
Yo,
Oh, it's nice.
Good.
Me can't go look in there.
we so good, man. Just make she get the food.
Yeah, but man go look in there. Man go look
Alright,
in
fraud.
there.
You just give it some more, yo.
Yeah. Ready? Yo, what a bombshell.
Skinny, look here.
Ready?
Skinny, as much as I haven't seen you in a long while, you know me not like you.
Ready?
Skinny, you know. Just move. Just don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I don't care. I don't care about you and I don't care about Michael. Just move. Skinny, me. Oh God.
Me can't make Murty.
As me see you, my stomach sick.
He bought me ear them and say boy and if he bossy he look like a
Don't talk about my child.
Murty.
Do not talk about my
You see
child.
me I say no Murty?
Skinny,
Murty.
don't talk about my child.
Murty, relax no
You know
man.
nothing about my child.
Things and time change.
So what? Do you?
Murty.
Are you a changed
What
person?
you mean?
Are you a changed
What you
person?
mean? What a
The only
bombshell.
thing changed about your skinny is your shirt.
What a bombshell. Murty, calm down man.
You worry about me or my son?
Murty.
Worry about yourself, skinny.
Murty.
Worry about yourself. A full time now if you start dress properly. Look how you dress. You look like a mad
Murty,
somebody.
Murty, it's the
You look like a
style.
madman. Look at you. Don't worry about me or my
Murty,
child.
Murty, it's the style. Style and fashion.
Just
What a
after-
bombshell.
After all these years, skinny, why now? Why?
Yeah.
You follow me or something?
No, Murty, no, I'm a cousin, I go check. $1,000. What a bombshell. Murty, between me and Murty. Boy, I look like
What?
a Michael. Me a sure.
And so what if he looks like
You must
my
say, Marcy, I'm cool. You don't see him look just like a Michael. How in him? Where your name? Jake one.
His name is MJ. I call him MJ. His name is Jaycon, but I call him MJ. That's his pet name. What's your problem?
My name is Skinny, original bombshell. so Murty, between me and Fichu, Michael there, you know?
I don't care about Michael Skinny. Michael, listen, Michael is in the past.
Oh.
Michael is in the past.
But
Skinny,
Murty,
between me and you here, listen, between me and you here, Skinny, take care yourself. Just take care yourself.
What a bombshell. Murty.
What?
But you can't grow without him right father, Murty.
What do you know about my child?
Murty, the youth can't grow without him right father. African grow with him right father. Yeah. You have to understand that, Murty. Every child needs their right father. I can talk
Skinny.
to Michael for you.
What do you know about my child?
Michael buy house too.
I don't care about Michael.
Michael buy house.
Do I look like I care about Michael?
Murty.
You alright, puppy?
Murty. Let
What?
me talk things here. I know Murty say my fault because I won't have a problem. I'm a change man now in a Murty. What a bombshell. Look at me.
As I say, only thing change about you is the clothes. Nothing else.
Same something true.
You still look the same, you still smell the same, you still behave the same.
It smell good. It smell good, not sure.
You smell like old clothes. You smell like cockroach. When cockroach live in a clothes, that's how you smell.
Murty. Come on, actually I not get to wash last week. So we finishing up. I'm gonna link my car tomorrow to get some money. Foreign money can come from foreign for sure. Okay, I'm sure you will know if you want to know. Murty, sometimes you have to understand, things and time change. You have to learn to forgive and forget things. Let certain things that in the present stay in the past. You understand, Murty? Remember, I told you, you don't have little problems and all of that back in all the days, but now that he come back and look how big him youth be now. And he don't know any youth look. You say you have to give him a chance, you have to give youth a chance. Don't blighter the youth future. You have to make the youth can see him father and get to know him real father. What if Michael go have one next baby now?
How do you know the
child? And then they end up meet and the two of them end up married. And he married the brother and sister married. Them have to know each other. So you have to make Michael know say him the youth are few. And him too.
Michael left and Michael went to the United States and Michael never even tried to get in contact with me or anything like that. So guess what? I don't know about that part.
But Murty, you can't blame Michael. Remember say are you go give bosses so my you remember? As of it you remember say me see everything.
Skinny, you know me honestly me not like you.
Hush man, I joke here man. That gone in the past man. But remember say even though my fault too, for me and your fault too, make me your friend up and go link him, check him so for you. You can check him tomorrow come I go check him for 1,000. You understand? So me I can link him and we talk to him, And him have one fine woman in there, but no worry yourself. Him still love you. Because when him come back and me and him are using him, you see Murty. What a bombshell. For me him ask me that, me know say him want to look up. What a bombshell. Don't worry yourself, Murty, man. Me sorry man for all I want me do. All the informing and the watch you. Me not do them something there again, Right now, me
I hope so, Skinny.
Yeah, me not do them something that me not watch people business. A people business watch me Look at me. What a bombshell. Murty, let me go talk to him.
Alright, Skinny.
He promised me to buy me a phone. So when he give me a phone, I take your number and me talk. And me a friend now, me a best friend, Murty. Come on.
We're not best friends, so.
Murty.
Alright, so we can go to him tomorrow.
Yes.
So what I'm going to do, because since you don't have a phone,
but me don't know where I live, Murty.
You don't have to know where I live.
So me I go find him.
Alright, so let me tell you where.
Come check me, because we live in a house same way. The same one where anyhow I'm coming now. Oh, man, I joke me. What a bombshell. We live in the door. Yeah. I'm have one girlfriend now too. She's nice and round, so you can check me up the month. Yeah.
I'm not going to come by the house, Skinny. I'm not coming up there. So what? I'm going to tell you where I live. You see the grocery store?
Yeah.
that is out by the square.
Yeah.
You see, when I come to the grocery store, there's a lane in front of the grocery store. There's a lane in front of the grocery store. Yes, it's a big two-story building out by the square.
Yeah.
The big concrete building. The big concrete building. Yes. There's a lane across from there.
Yeah.
It's the third house. So when you enter the lane, 1, 2, 3, the third house that is on your right. Yes, it's the third house. My house is the third house on the right. So when you come, skinny right. So to the grocery store here, across the road, from the grocery store, just come straight into the lane. And when you come into the lane, so you're going to walk like this into the lane. 1, 2, 3, the third house. Yes, the third house that is on your right. That's where I live. Yes. Okay, Skinny. Remember that we're not friends. I'm only doing this because of the child, because I have no interest in Michael anymore.
Best friend.
We're not best friends.
What about Michelle? Hey. Michael wanna see you know. Yes. Michael. What about Michelle? Oh, yeah. What about Michael? What about Michelle? It's all gone. Guess who me see?
Who?
No Murty.
Oh, I get for some Murty, babe.
But no worry about that. Me see Murty. I see Murty with the baby. Yeah. Guess what going on now? The baby look just like Michael.
B, we're not leave people business alone.
Oh, you fi say me fi leave people business? Why you not tell people business fi leave me alone?
Oh, people business are trouble, babe.
Everywhere me go people business trouble me. I mean I trouble people business now. You can imagine that? What a bombshell. Babe, me no trouble people business. But me I tell you, the baby look just like Michael.
B, leave people business
Yeah.
alone.
Boy, every time you neighbor baby cry, man, you just remember. Boy, every time you baby cry, boy, you neighbor them baby cry out, man, I tell you. Me can't wait for your food.
But anyway.
Come and carry your back for you. Come and carry your back for you. Come and carry your back for you. Hey, boy, what a bombshell. Hello. Hello.
What is it?
Bertie.
Yeah.
What a bombshell. Bertie asleep. Bertie asleep the entire day.
Oh, you fine, Miss Skinny? Yeah, good memory.
Yeah, my original Skinny. Anyway, sister me find it. But you know how to find her, man. Yeah.
Take off your shoes and Skinny.
Oh.
You never change your look at the style we have. Set your shoes properly and something. Must say me have your milk with some or something and just come and just.
Murty, it was nice though, I feel. The Murty.
Skinny and I change, you know?
We change.
I change.
We change. Hey, I feel Murty, I feel us nice, man. But it big, oh, you ain't had a look up at that.
No worry about it, Skinny.
You feel in one big room, so yeah.
It's not my house.
Oh, and I feel us.
No.
Oh.
It's rent. It's rent here.
Oh, hey.
Yes.
We live in a Michael house. Fear Michael house. It's nice. But Murty, me not change up in the space. Same way. Yeah. I have one girl. I have one girl. She's nice. Yeah. And she teach me to spell and read magazine and newspaper. Yeah. I can read now. Yeah. Fit you. Fit you.
That is good, Skinny.
Yeah. So fit you. So hey, Murty. So where they going?
Well, as you know, I have my son and we just have live.
Oh, so Michael I sing. Could I make
Skinny,
Michael sing?
I don't know nothing about Michael.
Oh.
I don't know anything about Michael. I have never spoken to Michael or anything like that. As I said, I don't know anything about him.
Oh, so
Right.
So me care about Michael house. But I come there say girl, you know afraid of her. She pretty you know, you know like her. She go on like she more than people and she can't cook curry goat. Yeah. Can't cook curry goat. When we go there other day and she give me curry goat, me live in the toilet. Right in the toilet up I had bung up. Yeah. Me have to run the bush sometime.
Only you, Skinny.
Can't cook. Yeah.
Anyway, I don't want to hear about her. You know, I feel discuss that. I don't want to hear about it. Skinny, what me cannot change?
But she always give me $1,000.
Skinny, what me cannot change?
Me change, man, me change.
I don't want to hear anything about their business. Is that the reason why you're here?
Yeah, no. We'll go by Michael.
Why you want to bring me up by Michael Skinny?
Yeah, I remember say, I'm my father. I remember saying, he look a boy for Michael too. And Michael have to sing. You know, bossy.
Well, to be honest with you, yes, the child is Michael's child.
You have one experiment?
No, I don't have. I only have one child, and it's my son.
Oh,
He's at his grandmother.
Oh, me and baby run this up. Yeah.
Skinny. There are other persons living here.
Oh.
I'm not the only tenant that lives here. There are other persons live here. There's a couple next door, and they have a child. They have they have a 6-month-old baby.
So Marty, when you sleep at night time, you know you.
Skinny. Skinny, you can't just change.
Alright, we change. We change.
So alright, so you say you want to go up by Michael and so it is only right, yes, as me say. As me talk to you yesterday and someone say, alright then no problem. We make Michael see the child. That is if he's willing to see the child. You understand? But deep down, me know say I feel Michael child. Because when the baby born or something, me already know bossy do film. I say I'm a film pitney because the pitney and a coolie and the pitney and a brown and all these things. And as you can see, I did stamp on Michael.
Yeah.
So
feel
to be honest with you, I don't know how it
feel
happened. Because me know so we've been at take precautions or something. But I don't know. I don't know what transpired.
We talked to him and he say yeah, he want to see boy. He said to take picture. But he can't trick me.
Well, you always take picture.
We not take no picture. Yeah, we still have my phone. But we learn my girlfriend. We learn her. But he want me know what he want to try though. He want me send him picture and he say, oh no favor. I said, actually know I come out but me go up there so for sure. Yeah. Yeah, go up there and call him.
Skinny, to be honest with you, I don't want any problem or anything like that. I am here and I am surviving. I don't want to go by Michael's house and cause any type of problem or anything with him. You understand? He deserves to be happy after all.
Yeah.
You understand?
But you just want to see boy. Yeah. If you just want to see boy. So you talk to him and then you go up there so for sure. Yeah. He say you can come. He say you can come.
What do you mean he say we can't? You know say you contradict yourself, Skinny. Cause you say Michael don't want me up there and then you say he say me can't come.
He say you can come for sure. I say go for sure. He say you can come. He say you can go for sure.
Alright, so we can't go up there. Better we go up on one weekend because
on Saturday. We can go up there on Saturday.
School and something, so it would be best if we go.
On Saturday, my girlfriend cook curry goat. So we can go up there.
I don't want to go there and eat anything. That's not my interest. All I'm going there for is to take the baby to see him. That is all. So I don't want to have anything else to do with Michael. Okay?
I think I'm sorry, that's my fault too.
I understand that, Skinny, and I'm over it. What is to be must be. Michael did what he did. Whatever happened with me happened. It's just how life is, you understand? I'm not proud of what had happened in the past, but it will be in the past. Whatever transpired in the past will be buried in the past and it will not resurrect.
Yeah.
You understand? So,
Yeah.
me just over that right now. Me don't want it to repeat itself. It will not repeat itself. But I can tell you right now that I'm just fine with my baby. Understand? Me rent a little place here and me a go on. I've been surviving.
Marty.
Mm-hmm.
You don't cook no food. No food,
Skinny,
no food.
no, I didn't cook anything today.
What about Michelle?
So as I say, we can go up there Saturday and something. So Saturday
Yeah.
we go up there and something.
Mike! What about Michelle?
Bad man.
Where are you going? Mike, how are you doing?
What kind of style is brother?
I'm going to make I come. Michael. Michael. No pay no mind, I say go on. I say, Michael, watch ya. Merty, where you go?
I can take man.
Merty, no pay him no mind. Merty, no pay him no mind, man. I say go on, you know. Change just about 5. You know. Merty.
Skinny, Michael now have no right to be so why Michael at the so?
Mikey. He have one foreign woman.
Me never left me hard. Come here forget no
Merty.
disrespect from nobody.
Merty, me have one foreign woman in there. And that's why I go and say, but no worry yourself. Me, you know when you live now, you can come anytime you want a joke me and make. But Merty, you know say my fault. I mean help cause all of this, you know. I'm really sorry, Merty. Yeah? You know. I'm sorry, man. You have to forgive me. Merty, I'm going to work on you for you, yeah? Remember say I'm a friend like that, you know. You, anything me tell him, he will listen, you know. He will listen. I can't do call him out, you know, because he find woman in there. She pretty. Don't want to say I something true. Yeah.
Me no business with Michael.
Merty, listen, Merty, listen. I promise you, I'm going to work on it for you. I talk to him, you know. Can you listen to me, I'm going to talk to him. You understand?
Work on what?
Remember when your enemy stop sweet, right? Me know you still love him. Me go and work on a thing for you. It's $1,000. You can't just pay me $1,000. I joke me and make man.
Skinny, excuse
I
yourself.
joke me and make man. Merty, me a big friend now. Chat about. Come in, man. Come in. What about Michelle? Yeah, Merty, I work for the place. I work for the place. Stop for yourself.
Skinny, stop. Work on what?
You and Michael can get back together.
No, don't even go there. Don't even go there. I honestly do not want but Michael. Me not need Michael or anything at all. Only thing I want, me personally, me no want but Michael. The only thing me want Michael to do is understand that the child is his. That's all.
Yeah, but you make it.
And if you never come to me, if you never draw it to my attention, like say, oh Michael, they here and he need to know a child, he could not always stay where he is because we're doing just fine.
But Merty, I make
Me just don't want to affect a child. To say okay, then he don't know his father. You understand? So that's all there is. Me no want Skinny. Me no want but Michael. Get that to your brain. All I want is for Michael to understand that the child is his. I don't need Michael.
What?
MJ, come.
Merty. Then you're going to find. Then Merty, you're going to make a fine girl take away Michael find yourself
Skinny,
with you.
nobody took away Michael. Nobody took away Michael. I don't want but Michael. So get that to your brain.
sounding a bit muffled. Who is it?
Am I not?
Yes, this is Marty, but who is it and what is your reason for calling?
Well, my reason for calling is to just hear your voice. You sound so beautiful. Like, I haven't heard this voice in forever. Wow.
You said your name is Michael?
What's Michael? Marty, I'm Michael. Yeah, you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. How did you get my number? If this is really the Michael that I know, how did you get my number?
Skinny and skinny get the number and I just decide to give you a call, you know. Yeah, I'm sorry for what I do, man. I'm sorry about the gate business, you know. I never.
This guy. Why would you want to see me? Go again? I mean, you went away, Michael, and it's like you disappeared for so long. I knew nothing about you. I didn't hear from you or anything like that. And now that you're back, you're asking that you would like to see me, like. Okay. I don't say anything. You said what? You're asking if we can link up tomorrow? Michael, it's not so easy, you understand? And I already heard that you currently have a girlfriend or a fiance or whoever. So yes. I don't know, Michael. I mean, it is so strange. It is so strange.
That's what I want to know. It's not my family.
I don't know, because the baby goes to school and I have to ensure that I get him from the school. He comes home at about 5. So I don't know, Michael. I will think about it. As I said, I will think about it. Pardon me?
See, I gotta think about it, right? I know you just have me over so weird,
What do you expect me to tell you, Michael? Because You said you want to see me. I said, okay then, fine. But okay, Michael, I will see you tomorrow. Where are we going to meet up, or I don't know. Drink up and get a drink, Michael. I don't drink. I only drink water because of my size at this time. As you can see, I have a lot of baby weight and all of that. I only drink water. Okay, Michael.
Alright, till tomorrow.
Okay.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Oh God. Like, is this right? Like, really?
Someone tell us something.
About what?
My girl, let me tell us something that I did in Jamaica. She named Murphy. And also me have a baby with her and thing.
Yeah.
So she want to come in the morning, child, and see, you know, the son, you know.
Yeah.
So I want to know if it's good with her. If she like come and thing.
Maybe.
Babe,
What
like,
she-
me know say, babe, me know how it goes, woman and woman. She good, she can come.
Yeah.
Me just want to be cool when she come here, like, you know. Like, nice stuff, yeah. I'm hungry. Yes, Jim. Yes, Jim. I'll see that. Yo, bad boy. You see your face. You see your face. Ah. Babe. Yeah. Baby. Yeah. Come here. That's it. Sure. See you. Nice and beautiful. Wait. Oh, where the outfit?
Me buy my outfit.
How late?
The color I got me.
Introduce you to someone. Right. This is Melissa.
Hi.
Hi.
This is my fiance. My son is like, he's gonna stay here for like a month or so until we're ready to go back on thing, you know?
So how long is that?
A month, like, it's not gonna be really long, it's just like a month or so. You know, so we don't really stay too long until we can.
Okay. Alright.
That's very good. Right.
My son come back.
Hey. Right. What's up? You good?
Yeah.
JJ. Yo. What's good, man? What's on the shirt? Force to be reckoned with. Oh my God, bro. You know what that means? You know what that means, bro? You know what that means, bro? You're a tough nut. Yeah. Like your mom. Looking lovely today.
Thank you.
Yeah, them beads are like pop. I like them.
So what's your stay? So you bring back for me.
I didn't bring back for you.
When I say it's not so that's why I ask.
You see me? So you don't care about me?
I only see you carry back. Them day.
Right. So,
Your baby mother and your son. I don't see nothing else.
she's right there, you know.
I don't care.
Baby, just chill, baby. Just
I am chilled.
chill. Don't do that. That's not right.
It's not.
Baby, it's Bertie. You good?
I'm good.
Bertie, you sure? Let's see.
Michael, I'm leaving.
You going already?
I'm leaving. Just call me if anything with the baby.
He's gonna be okay. Just take time and
Let the baby by good sleep.
you okay?
Michael, I'm okay.
Don't look at her. She don't know like you as right, just calm down. I'm not sure. Nothing will come right. Just take it, right? Take it. Right, take it. Sure. Alright, now it's Didi. Now it's so tonight, eh? I'm gonna feel you see my card. JJ, I can't find it. I forgot. I'm going to tomorrow for the bar, eh? So you can get to watch SpongeBob and the Patrick. No. It's SpongeBob and Patrick. I want to watch Tack and the Power. Yep. I watch that. I'm going to tomorrow and get the card so I can get the key before. I say I will just come and see. No. What? How will I look on? Yes. Soon come. Soon come. There are some ties in the bag. Some good fish, yeah? Some ties. Super feed. You love ties? Yes.
I take one them.
Hairstyle, nice. You like hairstyle? So, you want body hairstyle?
Oh. I want it.
You want body hairstyle? How would you? Auntie Pinky get? Auntie Pinky get hairstyle? Auntie Pinky can't do hair. Yo, you're not hot, man. Yeah, man, it's hot.
You can't take off it.
You're not hot?
Yeah.
Suko.
Look
Suko,
out. That's free time.
Suko. Suko?
Ay. Quiet.
Babe, why are you looking like this? What's wrong?
I'm good, babe.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Still love her, don't.
Oh, you mean me still love her? You know, say, me and her have a baby together, so can't. You mean me still love her? You me love her.
Well, she have a baby, so.
See your brother nice. See your brother nice.
Yes.
So if you ask me if I still love her.
Because she have a baby. That's why I asked.
I still love her. I'm not having me now. You know. Yeah, I'm a baby, yeah.
Okay.
So I said,
Anything I want?
yeah, cook. Make that one heap of food, so you see.
Chicken and rice.
Chicken and rice.
Yes.
So you go and so you go. That's the most you have to be my wife now.
Anything else, say?
Green skin really. You're losing. You go and go to my good from there.
Anything else, say?
Yes, I'm just sleep around here, so yeah.
Yeah, man.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes,
How can I be right now?
Hey, babe.
Hey,
What's up?
damn.
Can I stay by my parents this weekend?
Huh?
Can I stay by my parents this weekend?
You staying by your parents this weekend?
Mm-hmm.
Sure, you can, babe, as long as you're taking care of Junior Boomshell. Yeah, man. Make sure you take good care of him, alright?
I will.
You sure? Are you not either?
No, babe, I'm for that.
You know, I believe in it. You know, I say that either. You look nice though.
Mm-hmm.
Shots are fit there. You know? Yeah, man. Alright, pick my so me can buy for you anything for you.
Yes, babe, but I hope when we really go to Road and
Nah,
okay, yeah, buy them.
nah, vex. Out the road. Nah, I'm afraid of them there.
Make sure.
I'm afraid of them. On your own.
You hearing me?
Yeah, I can hear you. You alright?
No, I am not okay.
What's wrong with you now, baby girl?
My fiance is giving me a lot of stress.
Oh, really now?
Yes. Him and him baby
Now
mother
is not
and
the time for you to be stressed out. Now is not the time for you to be stressed out. So, you know I am all ears.
yeah. I really don't know what to do. Like him baby mother and him son, him put them over me and I'm very, very uncomfortable.
Oh, really now?
Yes.
Really now?
Yes.
This is news to me. No, I don't even want to say much, but one thing I can advise you, Minister, is that once a baby mother is involved in your relationship as well as a child, all I can tell you right now is make sure you take care of yourself.
And that
You
me I go do.
understand? Because you see a baby mother and a baby father, they're always clinging together no matter what. You understand? So once a child is in place, just make sure you just Check for yourself here. That's all I have to tell you. I don't know what the situation is at this time, but all I can tell you, you need to leave.
That me
The
will
fact
do.
that you're going to tell me, the fact that you're going to tell me that he chooses his baby mother and son over you,
Yeah.
is with him now. That's a no-no. That's a no-no.
For real.
So Melissa, just make sure you pack your stuff and to leave. You already have places to go. You have the world to travel, baby girl. Make sure you leave. There are a lot of cuties out there just waiting to explore the world with you. So there's no need for you to be clinging to one nigga like that. No, honey. No, it's not the time for it. You have a lot of options. No need to be waving your options right now. All you need to do is just to pack your stuff and go. That's all I can tell you now, girl. You don't have any time to be with no nigga talking about, oh, no baby mother, no son and whatever. You understand? It's not your son. It's not your son, so... I don't know what to do or whatever. I'm telling you what to do, hon. You need to let go.
Yeah.
Since I'm gonna choose baby mother over you, you know what time it is. So just pack your stuff and leave. Because at the end of the day, him and him baby mother, they're always going to be together.
For real. May I leave tonight though?
Yeah, you should have leave already.
I pack my things them already.
Well, you need, yeah. And what you need for though? You need stuff for the stuff in that house. You make sure you may not be able to take them now, but you don't need to make him know what's up either. So one day you just come back and you take off of the stuff.
Yeah, me not make him know
that's how it
nothing.
is now. And just in case you need any bucket, you know, I'm all here with you, honey.
Yes, thanks. Just I gotta leave on it.
So just make sure you, yeah, we can stand a drive for you too. So just make me know what's up, bro.
Alright.
Alright, do a thing and let me know. Call me and let me know if anything.
Alright.
And you need to do it fast.
Yeah.
Alright.
Later. I'm gonna pack up my things and wanna leave.
Good man, yeah.
Yeah, something to talk to you about. Your baby mother and your son. Where no one in the room. Your son have to go
Why you say this?
because I'm not comfortable.
But you know, say I'm a son.
You have to choose me or she. Because in our world.
Yeah, where does that come from?
Are you push it to this side? I know me.
But she's not. What do you mean choose? What do you mean in a relationship?
Yes,
choose.
we in our relationship about to get married.
Yes, so what am I supposed to mean? You have to listen to choose me. I mean, I already choose you. What are you talking about?
No.
And he's my son. I can't.
Right now you seem stressed. It's like you're stressed over them because
No.
today you're not even made to me.
What do you mean I'm not made to me?
You're not made to me. Out here, so I walk around no circle in there, so.
Babe, you're good.
Is that so?
I'm good.
But still you have to choose.
My son is like, he's just gonna stay here for like a month. Remember, that's not even a long time. What are you talking about? You're talking about I'm gonna choose. I don't like that stuff.
Alright then.
Babe.
Mm-hmm.
You love me? You love me?
I've been wild thoughts.
What do you mean I've been wild thoughts? I mean, I like your son like that. You love me? You're not my fiancé, you have to love me.
But she's your baby mother.
So what happened for you?
When I feel comfortable.
Can't deal with that.
I can't deal with it.
No, me I can deal with it.
She in the picture all the way because she have a son.
I got choose you.
No.
I
I don't feel so.
I got choose you.
I don't want to look like no idiot.
You know, look like an idiot. Then sometimes you just can't bother with
You can't,
Babe, what kind of style that I tell me about it?
And you put yourself in that position there. You, I know me.
I mean, me put myself in a position. I don't me tell positions if I put position in a space, my space. I don't me do that.
Are you go there? Them did alright with them there now. Then you go for them and carry them in a nice space.
So, I'm going to have to introduce them to you.
I don't like that.
He's my son and he had to stay here for a little while. Like, I need to see my son.
Oh yeah?
I found out he's my son there. So I just need to see my son, like, he's my son for
Christ's
Christ's
sake.
sake.
From seeing his son now. Because I like
The lady, the woman,
yeah.
can't take her breath. So I'm just tell us I'm going to deal with it. I'm going to deal with it.
Deal with it fast because I have to leave. Just deal with it fast. Like really fast.
I understand. You just calm down. So, just calm down. Just stop saying something.
Alright.
Nice. I want
Yeah.
nice. I want
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Damn, girl.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Took you so long to come out here,
I
baby.
tell you, me if you jack cat funny boy, think to me, I'm going to look for my mother and do something big.
Boy.
Master, me
Damn,
can't bother
baby.
with him sometimes.
Oh my God,
And if you
baby.
get so dead in a bed, I can't manage him.
Woo-hoo-hoo, baby, that's why I like you know, because you make me feel good in Jamaica, baby.
Yes, baby.
Yeah, baby, you're the one, you know what I mean? It's gonna happen,
You
baby.
have the money, you know.
Oh God, baby, all I have is for you, baby. You know that, baby. Yeah, baby, when it happens, it's gonna be real good, baby, for real. Damn, I hope nobody not gonna see us so they can go, because boy, last time, you know, Skinny tried to mash up my life, you know. For real, baby. My God. So what happened with you and him now? What's the latest?
Boy, me can't bother with the skin. Can't bother with him.
Oh, for real?
You know, say you are carrying thing, you know.
You are giving me the swing, baby. You want me for real to feel the swing, innit? Bloody hell.
So
Like that.
you
You know what? I have 100 grand to give you still, you know, but you're not going to get it in the morning still, you know what I mean? Because bank closed already and some people was come for them car and they didn't come for it. And a whole little spending today, but everything's good for tomorrow, though, yeah?
I want to make something.
No problem, baby. You get that later on.
You squeeze me, sir.